And let's talk about this in a little more detail. In fact, we're joined by Srikumar Krishnamurthy, who's Senior Vice President and Co-Group Head, Corporate Ratings, ICRA. You heard that conversation, or rather that summation, Srikumar. What did you make of the two-wheeler number in particular? Because that's where there seems to be some sluggishness. Is that a sign that there could be a demand situation that companies will have to face, or is it a flash in the pan?
Yeah, good morning. Thanks for having me. When we talk about two-wheelers in particular, because this is a segment where a lot of rural-led factors come into play, we will have to kind of consider how the last April to September period has been versus how this April to September is going to look like. Certainly, GST 2.2 effect of H2 was very much there. So there is a very divergent trends between H1 and H2. But talking specifically about April versus April, April in general is a period of subdued sales that we normally see after a strong March festive-led demand actually won't be there much. But interestingly, this April what we have seen is that 2-3 factors have supported the growth. One, the fact that the marriage season is actually kind of ending in end of May. So to some extent, there is some kind of momentum that is actually continuing from Q4. Two, not much of price hikes have actually happened yet because of whatever is happening in the global scenario. A large part of fuel price hikes is yet to happen. And third part is the good, yield or the rural output. So all these factors have kind of supported the growth in the month of April. We expect the month of May also to kind of have this continued momentum. But what will be interesting to see is how the period from June to September would look like, because this is a period where the reason to buy factors won't be there, one. And two, whatever price hikes that could happen in the current month is likely to have some kind of an impact. But the critical part is H2. Because last year we had a very strong pace of H2. This year there are expectations of weak monsoon guidance and a possible El Nino threat.
Okay, so we'll have to wrap it here, but we'd love to invite you back for a more detailed conversation on what's happening with the auto sector, Srikumar. Thank you so much.